Hello students, exercise 1.6 question number 2. If u is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to natural numbers, comma, x is less than or equal to 10, comma, a is equal to set of all 2, 3, 4, 8, 10, comma, b is equal to set of all 1, 2, 5, 8, 10. Then verify that n of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. So dear students, you have to verify the n of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Solution. So first let us write the u. So let us listing the elements of u. The elements of u are x such that x is belongs to natural numbers and x is less than or equal to 10. So u ல இருக்க எலிமெண்ட் எப்படி இருக்கணும்னா நேச்சுரல் நம்பர்ஸா இருக்கணும். அதே டைம் 10 and 10 க்கு கீழ இருக்கணும். அப்போ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because the natural number starts from 1. So next a is given already. A is equal to set of all 2, 3, 4, 8, 10. This implies that we need a number of elements in the set A. So n of A is equal to, we have to count the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next B. The B set is given 1, 2, 5, 8, 10. So B is equal to set of all 1, 2, 5, 8, 10. 5, 8, 10. Then n of B, that is number of elements in the set B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now let us find the LHS, left hand side of the given, that is n of A union B. So if before finding n of A union B, first we have to find A union B. So A union B கண்டுபிடிச்சாதான் n of A union B கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். So now listing the elements of A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10. Union elements of B 1, 2, 5, 8, 10. Now we have to write the elements of A union B. எல்லா எலிமெண்ட் சேர்த்து எழுத போறோம். So at least எதனா ஒன்று இருந்தாலும் எழுதிக்கணும், ரிப்பீட்டேஷன் எழுதக்கூடாது. So now 1, 2 இதில் இருக்கு, 3 இதில் இருக்கு, 4, 5 அதில் இருக்கு, then 6 கிடையாது, 7 கிடையாது, then 8, 9 கிடையாது, 10. So these are the elements of A union B. Now we can write the n of A union B, that is number of elements in the set A union B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 elements. So take it as equation 1. Now we have to find the RHS. The RHS is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So already we have found the n of A and n of B. N of A and n of B கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. So just we have to find the n of A intersection B. So before finding n of A intersection B, first we have to find A intersection B. So first write the elements of A. Elements of A are 2, 3, 4, 8, 10. 2, 3, 4, 8, 10. These are the elements of A. Intersection elements of B. B odd elements 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 8, 10. So now we have to write the common elements. So what are the common elements? So 2 common இருக்கு. Next 3, 4 இல்ல, 8 காமனா இருக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட் 10 காமன். So these are the common elements. So let us write 2, 8, 10. So these are the common elements of A and B. So next we have to write the n of A intersection B. So number of elements in the set A intersection B. How elements? 1, 2, 3. So now we can find the RHS, that is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B is equal to, so what is n of A? We know already n of A is 5 plus n of B also 5 minus n of A intersection B is 3. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10 minus 3 equal to 7. So this is nothing but n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So take it as equation 2. So இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நமக்கு செகண்ட் ஈக்குவேஷனும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேஷனும் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்குது. தட் இஸ் LHS இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு RHS. ஈக்குவேஷன் 2 இது, ஈக்குவேஷன் 1 இது. ஸோ ரெண்டோட ஈக்குவேஷன் நமக்கு என்ன ஆன்சர் கிடைக்குதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நமக்கு ஈக்குவல் டு 7 வருது. ஸோ n of A union B is equal to 7, n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B is equal to 7 கிடைக்குது. ஸோ therefore from 1 and 2 n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Therefore hence verified. Okay, thank you students.